All right, good morning, class. Today we're going to be modeling two-digit subtraction utilizing the bar module. I've taken the liberty of go ahead and have written some stuff on the screen, but we're going to take it step by step and make sure we cover it all. So first and foremost, for any addition or subtraction, we need the word problem. And the word problem states as so. Jason had 84 cards. He gave Brian 23 of them. How many cards does Jason have left? Okay, so we know we started off with 84 cards, and we know we gave 23 away, and we need to know how many are left over from that 84. So by using the bar module, we separate it as so. We put our initial whole bar, which is our 84, and then we know there's two parts because we give one part away of 23 cards, and we're missing the second part. So we've got to figure out what this number is. Because we're missing this part, we know we're going to be subtracting 23 from 84. But how do we get there? Do we just start counting from 23 to 24, 25, 26 and count by ones? Well, that's going to be a little time consuming, and we don't want to mess that up by counting by ones all the way up and confusing ourselves. So I took the liberty here of drawing out the number line, and we're going to go from 23 to 84 and find out what it takes to get there. And by doing the jump counting, I went from 23 to 25 and put my 2 there. And then now that I've got an easier number to work with, I'm going to skip count by 10. So 25 and 10 gives me a 35. 10 more puts me at 45. 10 more 55. 10 more 65. 10 more to 75. Now I can't go 10 more again because there's only 9 left because I'm at 75. So I'm going to skip count by 5, which takes me to 80. And I know I got to get to 84. So I'm just going to skip count to 4 now. 80 and 4 gives me 84. Now, in order to get our number 2 part that we're missing over here, all we've got to do is add these numbers up here on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to add them now. We got 2 plus 10 is 12. And now it's going to be easy to count by 10s after that. You got 12 plus 10 is 22. Plus 10 more is 32. Plus 10 is 42. Plus 10 is 52. 52 plus 5 is 57. 57 plus 4 is 61. Whoops. So we know we're at 61 is what our missing number is. So we know that 23 minus 84 is equal to 61. Because if we were to add these two together, we would come up with 84. So we'll do our written out problem as 84 minus 23 is equal to 61. So the amount of cards that Jason has left over is 61 cards. And that, my friends, is how we do our modeling two-digit subtraction utilizing the bar module.